Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da.
I'm Brittany, this is Mama's Timeout, and I hope you enjoy this video.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hot cocoa bar, decorate with me. I'm super excited. This is kicking off my Christmas decorating. There is no other Christmas decorations in my house right now. We are actually hosting Thanksgiving this year, so you're gonna see on Tuesday a cleaning before the holidays video with me, and then next Friday is when you can expect, or next Friday on Black Friday is when you can expect my Christmas decorating video. I'm super excited to decorate. I cannot wait. But I wanted to let you guys know that today's video is in collaboration with two of my friends here on YouTube, and I am going to let them introduce themselves.
Hi everyone, my name is Shanti from Shanti's Lifestyle. On my channel, I have a lot of different content from cleaning and organization videos, hauls, some decorate with me's, basically anything that pertains to being a woman, wife, and a mother. After you're done watching this video, I'd love it if you come over to my channel to check out my video and hopefully subscribe if you like what you see. If you decide to stop by, please let me know in the comments. Hope to see you there.
Hey
Bye.
guys, it's Amber over from Boss Mom Hustle. As soon as you're done watching the other ladies' video, definitely head on over and check out my hot cocoa bar. I'm really excited to share it with you guys today. Over on my channel, you can find lots of Boss Mom motivation. I'm all about uplifting and inspiring you to just get stuff done. So if you're into like cleaning motivation, routines, cooking, day in the lives, I share it all, you guys. So if that's your type of thing, definitely head on over and tell me hi. I would love to have you. I'll see you guys over there. Bye.
Alexa, play Christmas pop music.
Sure. Here's a station for you. Pop Christmas on Amazon Music.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Hey you guys, so I'm just going through and kind of showing you what I have pulled out today to use on my hot cocoa bar. And I did just want to say, if you are coming over from either Amber or Shanti's family, hi, I'm Brittany. I am a full-time work from the home mama. I have two little boys, Liam, who is 5, and Caleb, who is a 2.5. And my husband and I have been happily married for over 7 years now. And I do a lot of like lifestyle mommy content on my channel, a lot of routine videos, cooking and cleaning and organization. And if that is the type of content that you like, I hope you head over and hit that red subscribe button and the bell notifications so you're notified every time that we post a video and so that you don't miss anything. I'm going to start off just by cleaning off the space that I want to use for my hot cocoa bar. Last year I had it in the corner of my kitchen on the counter, and I really love how this turned out this year over here because it's just bigger and I feel like it's less cluttered, and I just really love it. So I hope you guys love it too. Let me know down in the comments. Do you do something like this in your home? You absolutely do not need to do something like this to enjoy your holiday, but it was super fun for me. I love the decor piece and my children love it so much. They ask for hot chocolate every day now.
We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. Dance, dance. All night long. We're gonna dance, dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
This was so much fun to do. Make sure you stick around to the very end. I do tell you guys exactly where I got everything for my hot chocolate bar, just in case you want to try and find some of the things that I used. Okay, y'all are going to laugh at me, but I had this idea and something similar pinned to my Pinterest for over a year now because I was going to do this on my cookies jar, which I probably will, but it wouldn't fit over here. So I did it on my coffee jar, the bow, and I absolutely love how it turned out.
Our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited with how this hot chocolate bar turned out. It is so stinking cute and my boys are gonna absolutely love it. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'm going to tell you where I got everything. Nothing was new this year. I repurposed everything from last year or stuff that I have had in the past, but I'm still gonna tell you where it is in case you wanna try and go find it this year. All right, you guys, so starting over here, I just have some of my Rae Dunn collection. If you have never heard of Rae Dunn, most people have, but if you have not, they are pottery pieces, they're handmade, and they have like imperfections, and I love them. And they are found at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls. So I just have my Faith cup under here. And then my coffee jar, I put this bow up here. That is from Hobby Lobby, the ribbon, and I bought it last year. And it looks like, oh, I put it on top of my pumpkin. It's like this, and it's 30 feet, and it was $9.99, but I got it half off, so I think it was like $4.99 for all of it last year. And I can't remember. Oh, I do remember I used it for outside of my house, which you guys will see for the wreaths. So I just put that on top of here, and you saw me use, so I cut this, so then I used a lighter to singe the ends of it so it's not frying. And then this cute thing, this is from Hobby Lobby. I got it earlier this year, maybe even last year at this time. But I know they still have them, and I absolutely love it. Look at the detail. It is so cute. And then this is just one of those trees from the Target dollar spot. It was last year, but I know they have them this year, and I know they have flocked ones. So definitely check out your dollar spot. I think, it might say under here, they were either $3 or, no it doesn't. They were either $3 or $5 a piece last year. I can't remember, I think they were $3. And then this is the rest of the hot cocoa bar. These jars, I believe I got them at Target last year. Yes, I know I did. I got them at Target last year. And I just like them because they reseal on the sides. They're really big, so they hold a lot. And I usually don't have to refill this the entire season. But it's awesome for decoration too. So definitely check that out. They're by the Mason Jar brand. And I found them where they sell all of the household stuff. This sign, this was either from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. It might have been from Michael's, but it was bought last season. And then this is just a salt pepper shaker from the dollar store. And I filled it with some sprinkles, just some mixed sprinkles. And you saw I had these, this was entirely filled from last year. But my oldest son can't have red dye, so we didn't let him have any of them last year. And it was completely full, but I dumped them out because they stayed in there in my cabinet for a whole year. So I dumped them out. And then this is another Rae Dunn cup. I did just put my candy canes in just a regular wide mouth mason jar. Candy canes are from our local grocery store. And then this is just a mason jar that I had, so I'm not sure where this was from. This might have been from the dollar store. but that's just a regular mason jar to hold the chocolate chips. And I really do like these kinds of things because they keep everything fresh. So you don't have to worry about these, which is fine. And then this crate actually says Believe on top. You can see it was from Michael's 2 or 3 years ago. I'm sure they have something like it. I actually used the white one last year on my coffee bar or on my hot chocolate bar. I cannot find it for the life of me. I looked through everything, and I'm sure I'm gonna find it here in a little bit. But I actually think I like the contrast in color. So even if I find the white one, I don't think I'm gonna switch it out because there is a lot of white already. So I think I'm gonna leave it. That is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you are ready to kick off the holiday season. I know I am. I am so excited to decorate. I literally probably look like a kid in a candy store right now because I'm so excited. This kind of stuff makes me super happy. So I cannot wait to share my home decorate with me. I might even do a house tour this year. So stay tuned for those. Make sure you're on the lookout. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does let YouTube notify you when I do post my videos. And if you hit the bell notification, then you're gonna get notified through a notification every single time I post. So again, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home.